Hi, I don't have a skincare routine, and I was wondering if you could start me off with the basics of what everybody needs for their most basic skincare routine.
There I was on my second day of my internship, so sweet and naive, without a clue as to what this journey would hold.
Serum Mega Serum.
It started with a splash and a couple of slightly embarrassing videos, then hundreds of thousands of retakes trying to get the perfect shot.
Also helps with sun protection.
And even more mistakes and learning opportunities.
Is it this?
A couple of terribly edited videos. Gio, I'm so sorry for this video. And a couple of outtakes.
Massage the out of your face.
Like, girl, that's not spa-like behavior. Hundreds more retakes. And countless more opportunities to learn.
Like the other vloggers do. I mean, that's just it. Because I don't really vlog. I'm new to this.
Clearly. But I slowly got the hang of it. I experienced my first rescue facial and created a video showing off my brand new and beautifully curated skincare routine. I reaped every benefit the spa had to offer. All of them. Got some more facials, kept perfecting my skincare routine, and made a few more embarrassing videos along the way. Don't forget to double cleanse and reapply SPF by the